Shifting focus and a fresh twist to the Congress's internal squabbles, party leader Pawan Khera has taken a sharp dig at his colleague Shashi Tharoor, and he did it publicly. Using X, Khera shared a cryptic post quoting External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar. Let me read out the quote here. The quote dates back to 2016 when Jaishankar told a parliamentary panel that professionally done target-specific limited caliber counter-terrorist operations have been carried out across the LOC in the past too, but this is the first time the government made it public. In what seemed like a fact check wrapped in sarcasm, Pawan Khera CC'd Tharoor in the post, clearly suggesting the former diplomat needed a refresher on India's surgical strike history. The swipe comes after senior Congress leader Udit Raj also took potshot at Shashi Tharoor, that too on his social media profile X, calling him a super spokesperson for the BJP after Shashi Tharoor's controversial comments in Panama. He said Congress MP Shashi Tharoor is the super spokesperson of the BJP, and what the BJP leaders are not saying, speaking in favor of Prime Minister Modi and the government Shashi Tharoor is doing. Does he even know what the earlier governments used to do? They are taking credit for the Indian Armed Forces. Shashi Tharoor has become the spokesperson for the publicity stunts of the BJP. He in fact further said that how could you denigrate the golden history of Congress? How could you be so dishonest to the party that gave you so much? Udit Raj also accused Tharoor of echoing BJP's propaganda and undermining Congress's military legacy, particularly its role in the 1965 and 1971 wars and covert UPA-era operations.
जी, बीजेपी के सुपर प्रवक्ता हैं जो बीजेपी के लोग नहीं कह पा रहे हैं। मोदी जी की चमचागिरी या मोदी जी का गुणगान जितना वो नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, और बीजेपी के लोग उससे ज़्यादा शशि थरूर कर रहे हैं। शशि थरूर को पता है कि पहले की सरकारों ने क्या किया। पहले की सरकारें ढोल नहीं पीटती थी, तो ये शब्द वापस लेना चाहिए कि पहले ऐसा नहीं हुआ है। पहले सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक होती थी, पता नहीं होता था। ये मोदी जी जैसा नहीं कि करेंगे नहीं और प्रचार करेंगे और सेखी बघारेंगे और उसका लाभ लेंगे। सेना की कार्रवाई का लाभ लेने के लिए कांग्रेस पार्टी उसको पब्लिक डिक्लेयर नहीं करती थी, लेकिन ये पब्लिक सेना का सारा श्रेय खुद ले रहे हैं। सेना का कोई सम्मान नहीं हर, तो उसमें शशि थरूर ये जो पब्लिसिटी स्टंट है भारतीय जनता पार्टी का, उसके इस समय प्रवक्ता बन गए।
Now speaking in Panama City as part of an all-party delegation, Shashi Tharoor said for the first time that India breached the line of control between India and Pakistan to conduct a surgical strike on a terror base, a launch pad, the Uri strike in September 2015.
What has changed in recent years is that the terrorists have also realized they will have a price to pay. On that, let there be no doubt. When, for the first time, India breached the line of control between India and Pakistan to conduct a surgical strike on a terror base, a launch pad, the Uri strike in September 2015, that was already something we had not done before. Even during the Kargil war, we had not crossed the line of control. In Uri we did. Then came the attack in Pulwama in January 2019. This time we crossed not only the line of control, we crossed the international border and we struck a terrorist headquarters in Balakot. This time we have gone beyond both of those. We have not only gone beyond the line of control and the international border, we have struck at the Punjabi heartland of Pakistan by hitting terror bases, training centers, terror headquarters in 9 places.
Now with Pawan Khera now echoing Udit Raj's remarks, this latest episode has once again exposed deep internal fault lines within the Congress at a time when the party is trying to project unity on the global stage.